The C4 approach to relationship management has completely turned our marriage around.
Absolutely. So close to just failing, you know? All 4 C's are complete game changers. Convince, coerce, convict, and control. If there was a 5th C, it'd be cool.
6 months ago, I was gonna take a week and a half off for my wedding and honeymoon. The day before I headed out to the resort, Lisa told me that she needed a pitch deck done in a day and a half. And what did I say? You said, looks like you'll need to postpone that wedding.